Today is Jordan's birthday, and he's getting his stuff from Nana and Papa. Ah, we lost the balloon! Make a wish, Jordan. Yours is flying away. Birthday boy. Going to get what? Yeah, we can use him later. Even though he's 18, he's so... Some of them might not make any noise. Try a different one. I don't know, it might not make noise. Yeah, they don't make noise. They're not noisy ones.
Oh wow, that's a lot of airheads.
You like your airheads.
Indeed I do. The cards, let's get to those. Those you pick first. Happy 18th birthday, Jordan. Alrighty. Happy birthday, grandson. Today's a day meant for you, but it's a special day for your family, too. Happy 18th birthday, Jordan, because today we remember that amazing moment when you came into the world and made our lives so fun, so wonderful, and so full of love, Nana and Papa. Hey! Money. 50. 50 $50 to feed my greed. Oh, see what I did there? And then, you know, pretty sure great Nana with her colorful
sheep
card.
He got a rainbow sheep.
There's you, and then there's everybody else. Happy birthday, you. You were one of a kind. Love you, great Nana. Alright.
We're gonna have to get you a rainbow outfit so you can wear it for her.
I know, right?
Yeah, that's not happening. What else? Hot tamales. Mama, you can have those considering they're your favorite.
I won't let the boys see the box, and I'll make them eat them.
Sunflower seeds.
Like, here, have a red one. Have a cherry one.
Sunflower seeds. Oh, hey, check that out.
What'd you get? Oh, your sweetheart ropes.
Yeah. Cherry. Rainbow chip cake. Well, considering that these...
Oh, they're mug cups, so when you want that snack, you just put it in a coffee mug and you put it in the microwave and make yourself a cupcake.
Peppered beef jerky, man.
Of course.
And then, you know, Nana goes back all the way to my OG days of being a little kid and being in love with these things.
Sour Patch Kids.
Yep. And that is it.
Alrighty. Well, there'll be more later. Especially when we gotta do your chops. Welcome back, guys. Now, this is the second part of Jordan's day. He got some of his gifts. He's happy. But now, he gets his birthday chops.
See, for those of you that haven't checked in on the channel, we've mentioned it a couple of times. I am an independent professional wrestler. Check out the Madness of Trip, YouTube, Facebook, all the different kinds of social media. And it is very, very common among wrestlers that we don't do birthday spankings, we do birthday chops. If you want to know what I'm talking about, watch any wrestling. When someone takes a nice open hand slap to the chest and you hear the crowd go, woo! That is a chop.
And Jordan is in his training right now, so he knows
And now
what
that
they
he's
are.
18, he is legally allowed to wrestle in every state.
Yay! Even though you guys can't do nothing anytime soon. But still.
So, you ready for your 19 birthday chops? Remember, 18 for the birthday and 1 for good luck.
Hey, next year we get to take him to Canada. I just thought about
Why
that.
would I be ready for something like this?
Because you've been training.
Take that shirt off. No.
1.
dos,
2,
tres,
4,
cuatro, cinco,
5,
seis,
6,
siete,
8,
ocho, nueve, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
16.
I can't even count no more.
Hey, we're at the last 2. 18.
Oh, here we go.
As it's tattooed on the finger. Happy birthday, kid.
Happy birthday, Jordan.
Don't
Now
do this
let's
at
go
all.
play some liar's dice.
Don't try.
All right, this is what happens on your 18th birthday.
I always loved the DDT as a move. Not so much Jake Roberts, but more Reagan.
DDT, right to the mat. He's out cold.
On the floor. Happy birthday, Jordan. Yeah, guys, this is what happens in the Wrights way of crazy when, you know, it's all... Oh, he knocked out the commentator.
It's all anarchy.
Watch for our next videos, guys. Like, subscribe, give us a comment. Tell us what you want to see next, because it just gets better than this.
Oh, wake up!
Oh, and here we go. See you guys later. This is what happens when we go shopping with my oldest. He thinks he's a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. Okay, a Super Saiyan.